Hello, welcome to my video. An electromagnet is a type of magnet in which the magnetic field is produced by an electric circuit. Electromagnetic usually consists of wire wound into a coil. A current through the wire creates a magnetic field which is concentrated in the hole in a center of the coil. The magnetic field disappears when the current is turned off. The wire turns are often wound around a magnetic core made from a ferromagnetic or ferrimagnetic materials such as iron. The magnetic core concentrates the magnetic flux and make a more powerful magnet. Key concepts within electromagnetic include first, electric field. The electric field is a vector field associated with electric charges. It exerts a force on other charged particles within its influence. Second, magnetic field. The magnetic field is a vector field that represents the magnetic influence of electric current and magnetic materials. It also interacts with moving charges. Third, electric charge. Electric charge is a fundamental property of matter and it can be positive or negative. Charged particles experiences forces in the presence of electric or magnetic fields. Fourth, current. Electric current is the flow of electric charge. A moving electric charge generates a magnetic field. Fifth, electromagnetic induction. Charging magnetic field inducts an electromotive force EMF in a conductor, resulting in the generation of an electric current. This phenomenon is the basis for devices like generators and transformers. Applications of electromagnetism. First, electromagnetic waves. Maxwell's equation predicts the existence of electromagnetic waves, which includes radio waves, microwaves, infrared radiation, visible light, ultraviolet radiations, X-ray, and gamma rays. These waves have various applications in communication, imaging, and scientific research. Electric motors. Electric motors operate based on the interactions between magnetic fields and electric currents. They are crucial components in various applications, machinery, and transportation systems. Third, transformers. Transformers use electromagnetic induction to change the voltage level of alternate current AC electricity. They are essential in power distribution, allowing efficient transmission and utilization of electrical energy. Fourth, generators. Generators convert mechanical energy into electrical energy through the principles of electromagnetic induction. They are employed in power plants to produce electricity. Fifth, magnetic resonance imaging (MRI). In medical imaging, MRI utilize strong magnetic field and radio frequency pulses to create detailed images of internal body structures. Sixth, electromagnetic compatibility EMC. EMC involves magnetic electromagnetic interference and ensuring that electronic devices operate reliably in their intended electromagnetic environment. Seventh, telecommunication. Electromagnetic waves are the basis for wireless communication technologies such as radio, television, mobile phones, and satellite communication. Understanding and harness the principles of electromagnetism has paved the way of numerous technology advancement and applications across various fields, contributing significant to modern society. Thank you for watching my video.